Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. I did sell my OnePlus 8 Pro, so here we're going to be unboxing the Galaxy S20 5G, which is going to be replacing the OnePlus 8 Pro. I decided to go back on over to Samsung after some quality issues and just overall quality control issues with the OnePlus 8 Pro. Not my unit specifically, but just overall. Just decided to sell it and go back to Samsung. That's a story for another video, but here we're greeted with the S20 Pro, S20 on top. Right here, very nice device. I did go with the gray one. I think it's called Cloud Gray. But we're going to put this aside and we'll get back to this in a second. Just a quick look at it. Right here we have a little flap that pops up covering the accessories. So we do get a fast charger right here on the bottom. I believe this is the super fast charger. And yes, it is super fast charging. So there's the specs on that right there. And then right here we do have a USB-C to USB-C cable. It is nice to see them go with USB-C to C instead of A to C. Just makes it a little bit easier if you are using it with battery banks and charging adapters, especially the ones I have. And then right here we do get the AKG headphones in the USB-C variety. So that is nice that they still include that. These are pretty nice headphones. And the fact that they're USB-C obviously is important because the phone does not have a headphone jack. And then you can see they the little ear tips rolled off to the side there next to the charger, so we do have adjustable ear tips if you need to change the sizing on those. I'm going to go ahead and put all that back in the box, and here is the phone right here. So one last look at this real quick. I did get a case for it, which I'll be showing in another video. Let you guys hear that peel. And then here is the front. It does have a screen protector on it, which I'm going to just leave on for right now. You can leave it on or take it off. But that is the Samsung Galaxy S20. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.